Good morning, family, and welcome back to the channel. I am super excited because this is our very first Clean With Me video in the new house. So it is about 6 a.m. in the morning, the sun is barely out, so all I'm doing here is opening up all the windows to let some light in before I start to clean. I will say though that some places need a lot more cleaning than others, and you'll get to see that in a minute. But I just have a systematic way that I like to clean my house, and you'll get to see that. And I'm actually hoping to do a lot more Clean With Me videos just to give you all some motivation to keep your homes clean. Cleaning is actually one of my favorite things to do, and it just releases my stress, and I just love a nice, clean home. So whenever I clean, I just like to put the TV on or put some music on just to have something going in the background so it's not dead quiet. So ever since we got this mirrored table, this has become Nadia's favorite thing in the house. Whenever she's in the living room, she just likes to sit here and look at herself in the mirror, and she ends up leaving her tiny little fingerprints all over it, which means I have to clean it sometimes twice a day. But it's super cute to see her basically have a conversation with herself in this mirror. So we do have a lot of mirrors all throughout the house because I love mirrors, and Windex is my favorite solution to clean my mirrors. But if you guys have any other suggestions out there, please let me know in the comments down below because I am looking for other natural ways to clean my mirrors. I don't know what it is about the high ceilings in this living room, but there is a lot of dust that does collect on the furnitures, which I hate. So I find myself dusting at least once or twice a week. Another thing I like to do when I clean is just to lit up a candle or get my diffuser going. For those of you guys who haven't seen this yet, this is a diffuser that I got from Amazon. It was pretty inexpensive, and it comes with some essential oils as well. As I said before, some parts of the house definitely need a lot more help than others. The kitchen is one of those areas. So last night we actually went grocery shopping and we literally just put everything on the countertop and went to sleep. So when I woke up this morning, the kitchen was an actual disaster. So what I'll be doing here is, first of all, decluttering everything, putting everything in the proper spot, and then actually cleaning the kitchen. So one of the methods I like to use is to do a top to bottom cleaning. So what I do is I clean everything on the top, so like any ceiling fans, any lights, and then I'll move down to the countertops, do the dishes, and then I'll move on to the floors. That way, anything on the ceiling or on the highest part of the room falls down to the countertop, and then I'll clean that off, and anything there falls down to the floors, and then I'll clean those up. That way I only have to do it once versus doing a double job, and you'll see that here in a second. So what I'm using here is an all-purpose cleaner that also has antibacterial properties. I just like to spray this all over my countertops, in my sink, on my stove, and just wipe it off. The cloth I'm using here is a microfiber cloth that I got from Marshall's, but I also found them at the Dollar Tree, and I'll show you guys that in one of my Dollar Tree hauls. But this thing is awesome, y'all. So all I do is wipe, rinse, wipe until I get all the surfaces. The thing about having an all-white kitchen or all-white cabinets is the fact that every little stain shows, which means you have to keep them clean. So again, when I clean my kitchen, I also incorporate the cabinets. All I normally do is use the same solution, but a different microfiber cloth to wipe each and every one of them down just to get rid of any dust or any stains. By the way, the cleaning solution I'm using is by 7th generation. It is just a safer cleaning solution. because it has a lot less chemicals than the rest of them. Also, as you guys know, I have two pantries. One of them I use for food and the other one I use for storage. If you guys want to see a pantry decor / organization video, please leave a comment down below and I'll do just that. So now everything on top is cleaned. Now we have to move on to the bottom, which are the floors. So what I like to do is I just like to put everything in its place and then use my broom to sweep up everything on the floors before I start to clean. And a lot of you guys might say, why don't you have something fancier? Well, I would like something fancier, but this is what I have for now. And you guys know that I like to keep it real. I'm not gonna come on here and act all fancy and bougie when that is not the actual case. When I do get something fancier, I'll be sure to let you guys know, but for now, I like to use my broom. And it also reminds me of when I was a kid in Africa. One of my chores used to be to sweep up the floors or the ground in the yard whenever we woke up in the morning. I was very young at that time, but I still remember those days, and that has actually molded me to who I am today. I just like to wake up first thing in the morning, clean up my house, go outside, see if there's anything I need to pick up, just to make sure that my entire environment is clean. So obviously we have wood floors and they need to be cleaned. So all I use is this Swiffer machine that I literally got from Walmart, very inexpensive, and I also got the cleaning solution from there. This thing is very easy to use and it's very effective. So all you have to do is buy the actual machine one time and then continue to buy the pad and the solution. You can actually find the pads at the Dollar Tree and it comes in a pack of 3 or 4 if I'm not mistaken. But as for now, this is my favorite method to clean my floors. So now finally the entire main living area is clean, and it might not look like it to you guys, but it literally took me 2 hours to clean this entire place because I like to deep clean. But I find the end result worthy and very satisfying to see a nice clean home. After all, as they say, cleanliness is next to godliness. So I hope this video motivates you to keep your space clean, nice, welcoming, and warm. Thank you guys again so much for watching. If you would like more Clean With Me videos, please go ahead and like this video and also subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more of my video. I also want you guys to comment Clean With Me. That way I'll know to make more Clean With Me videos. Thank you guys again so much for your love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.